do I have any sunglasses? Anything to like hide my face right now? So I did this and I flipped my hair over to one side. This is what the woman saw. That was so embarrassing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I just want to start off by saying, like, I am not preaching to you that you should eat this way. That is not what I'm saying. I'm doing this video because one, it was requested, and two, I recently just started a health journey because your girl used to go to McDonald's all the time. Like, it got to the point that they knew my name. So I would always go to McDonald's and I would get the same order. I always got a McChicken with no mayo and unsalted fries, and they would be like, "Is this Courtney?" And I'm like, yes. Like, I was so embarrassed because they literally knew my order, they knew me, and it got to the point where I almost, like, I literally switched and started going to Wendy's because I was so embarrassed. I am a very fast-paced person. Like, I try to maximize the time that I have in a day by trying to, okay, I'm gonna wake up at this point and I'm gonna do this and this and this and this and this. I'm just very fast-paced and I don't like to waste a whole lot of time. And for me, I just feel like cooking is a total waste of my time. Like, I just don't get it when people cook for an entire hour and then they spend 20 minutes eating it. Like, I don't know, I can't process that. So for me, I would literally just always eat out. Like, it was just what I did. It was a lot of money and it was so unhealthy. So recently I just started to have, you know, to do my little health journey. I'm 3 weeks in, I've been doing very good. I've actually dropped some weight too. We are going to just go ahead, get started. Like I said, just please be nice and let's get into the video.
She pulls me in enough to keep me guessing.
Good morning, guys. I am so tired. I have no caffeine in my body, but for today's breakfast, I decided to go with a little bit of avocado. So this is half of an avocado and then just some strawberries that I already had pre-cooked and in the fridge. And then I'm also gonna be having my tea. Recently, like, I say this all the time, but it literally scares me that I love tea so much now because I used to be like a hardcore like coffee or die person. So recently this has been my favorite tea, but if you guys have any recommendations, leave it down below because I'm like a new tea drinker. So if you guys have your favorites, let me know down below. So for the lunch portion, I'm going to have to film this one on my phone because I thought my camera was charged, but I guess it's like not. So it just like completely just died on me. But I want to walk you through what I typically have for lunch. So down here, like, this is like my portion. So I have pre-made salads here, another pre-made salad. This is a black bean salad. I have the half of the avocado that I didn't eat this morning. Some fruit behind it, also some fruit, and then I just have some more stuff to make salads. So that's usually what I would have for lunch, just like something simple, but for some reason I'm like hella craving cereal. So I just got this coconut and chai granola and I am obsessed right now. So that is what I'm gonna be having today. Now I'm going to be getting a little bit of a caffeine pick-me-up. So I put on Instagram if I should go to Starbucks and you guys said, yes, you should. The drink that I'm about to get right now is not my normal drink. I usually just get a grande soy latte, no flavoring, no nothing. That's just like my usual, but I have a free drink today. So whenever I have a free drink, I end up just getting like the most expensive thing I could possibly get. Comment down below if you guys are like me. It's like my dream drink, like the drink that if I was rich and could never gain any weight, I would have this every single day of my life. So today I'm thinking of getting a venti pumpkin spice latte with soy milk and maybe an extra shot of espresso. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna be wired, but that's like my dream one. Like, if I could literally just every day just have that drink, not gain any weight, and it not you know, break my bank, that'd be my go-to. You'll never believe what I just did. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I just drove past the, I'm such an idiot. You know where you go to order? I just drove past it. Just literally just drove past it. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I'm gonna mobile order. I'm gonna pause for a minute. I'm just gonna drive right past the little like window. Like there's no way to get out of here right now. I'm like trapped. Who literally waits in the freaking drive-thru for, I've probably been in here for 7 minutes and I drive right past the little intercom thing. Oh, I'm so stupid. I can't. I was like, I don't know what to do. I was like, do I have any sunglasses? Anything to like hide my face right now? So I did this and I flipped my hair over to one side to cover it. And as I like, so this is what the woman saw. And I went like this and I just drove right by. That was so embarrassing. I don't know what's more embarrassing, the fact that I just did that or the fact that I'm wearing these glasses. Oh my gosh, my hair's okay, we're good now. I got it. I got my venti pumpkin spice latte with soy milk. Yeah, no, we're good. That was stressful. That was so stressful. I've never done that. I was so embarrassed, but I went in there and I was like, you'll never believe what I just did. And they were like, what? And so I told them and they just started laughing at me. Which they're not wrong for laughing at me. That was so dumb. And they were like, we've never seen anybody do that before. And I was like, thanks. You could have lied and been like, oh, that happens all the time. Okay, so now to dinner. Now, just saying, you've definitely seen me in a couple different tops now. That is because today's like my big filming day, so I just had to film a couple videos really fast. But I really like dinner because that's my one time where I do sort of cook a little bit. I don't like to spend a whole lot of time cooking, but one of my favorite meals that are, it's so fast to cook and you can make like leftovers over, whatever, but it's going to be pasta. So I'm using these gluten-free brown rice spaghetti. So easy, it takes 8 to 9 minutes to cook. And then I'm also going to be eating this as well. These are zesty Italian meatless meatballs. They take 1 minute to cook in the microwave. Like I said, so easy. Like that's my philosophy, you know? Cook smart, not hard. Wait, what's that saying? Work smarter, not harder. So I eat smarter, not harder. Yeah, anywho, continuing. So here is the finished product. It doesn't look as aesthetically pleasing, but like, I do things to make it get done fast, not make it look pretty because it's only me. So this is what I'm working with for right now. I drink out of a gallon of water every single day. That's been like my new thing for the last like 2-3 weeks now. So I literally am already down to here and it is 5:30. So that is how that's going. Honestly, like there's a big difference in my skin, in my appearance. Drinking out of a gallon of water is like amazing. So that's what I've been doing recently. Absolutely love it. So usually I will make this or I will have a salad with some meatballs, or I'll have some soup. If you guys haven't already sort of picked up on the fact, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the title or not, but recently I started eating as a vegan. And I'm like not coming out and being like, I'm a vegan. It's just like, I already don't like meat. I don't consume a lot of meat. If I do, it's like chicken nuggets. And you know, that's only if I eat out. Like I won't cook chicken, I won't cook steak, I won't make my own tacos. So it was very easy for me to switch over. And I also am lactose intolerant, so I can't have milk anyway. Like I don't care what you eat at all. I don't want you to be like, oh my gosh, you're a vegan now and you're gonna go crazy. Like no, I literally don't care what you eat. But for me, I like eating as a vegan. It makes me feel better. I have so much more energy. I've lost weight, but I'm eating more. Like I'm eating more and I'm losing weight. It's so weird. Okay, so I just got back from church and I can feel myself already. It's not even that I'm hungry, I'm just bored and I know it. But I'm gonna go grab a snack and then that'll probably be the last thing that I eat for today. I try really hard not to eat when I'm not hungry, but right now is a total exception. Okay, that's my issue, is I always end up like, I'm like, what do I want to eat? I don't know. And like, I never know what exactly I want to eat. I don't know, I feel like I have like no food. I have like no like snacky food. Ugh, I have no snacking food. So I think I'm gonna have a few of these. So these are gluten-free coconut cashew bites. They are so good. I literally love these so much. I only have like 3 left. So I'm gonna eat these and that's gonna be like my little nighttime snack. And that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications to be notified every single time I post a new video. Unfortunately, I don't always get into people's subscription box, so if you hit the notification bell, you will 100%, hopefully, be notified every single time I post a new video. So with that being said, I will see you guys in a couple days. Bye.